Stop building projects that only your professor sees. What if I told you you can present your AI solution in front of ministers, investors, and policymakers? Yes, we are talking about the India Innovate 2026 challenge. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. Here, it's not a college level and national level hackathon where you'll be learning and earning cool prizes over here. So it's a offline event which is at Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi, and you have to visit this place. But here the selection criteria will be done using online mode only. So you can see the registration criteria started from 24th of January and will be ending on 10th of March. So you still have time. First of all, why you should join this challenge? Because this is not about just for coding for certificates. You are solving real life problems, means the problems which people face, including the urban solutions, national system, applied AI, and civic infrastructure. You'll be helping to build and get a chance to showcase your projects in the exhibition and getting some cool rewards too. So here you have to submit a PPT including your team name and domain name. For example, let's come down over here. There are multiple domain. There are three: civic, domain, and open innovation. One is domain one, urban solutions. It's related to something which will help you to learn more, and it's related to local. Okay, so it's related to environment, some related to flooding, etc. You can see air traffic controls, hyperlocal AQI, that is air quality index, and some flooding. So you can just develop a solution for it. These are the problem statement. You have to select any one domain and work on it. Then after that there is digital democracy, so you have to make a project based on it. And these are the problem statement. You can just read it and just understand and build projects. Okay, so these are the cybersecurity. Most of you are interested in cybersecurity also. You can just see how you can improve cybersecurity. You can see most of the frauds are going on in online mode only. So how you can prevent it? You can develop your solution over here. Okay, using the help of AI, ML, etc. How it will help in healthcare. So you can just do all the things. How to register? You have to just click on the link which I've shared in the description. Register in Unstop, and then you have to enter your details. Maybe they'll ask your college graduation details. After that, you have to simply join this WhatsApp group. Okay. After that, all the details will be shared to you. Okay. And they'll be shortlisting. So not everyone will be getting a chance to attend the Bharat Mandapam, means to showcase their projects. Only the shortlisted team will be able to visit the venue to showcase their projects, and you'll be getting a free, means you'll be getting a free space. You don't have to pay for that space. And the exhibition timing is from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. right on this location. So here top three team will be getting prize as structured below. You can see these are the prizes. Crash prizes are there. You'll be getting paid government apprehensives. Also, there'll be some full-time opportunity. Basically, it's a add-on opportunity. So make sure to take part in it, and all the details are already shared. If you want to just see the PPT, I will attach the links in the description. Make sure to take part in it, and do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead.